Hello Computer 7 Gurus, this is Mr. Sommerfelt with another tutorial video, this time on Prezi. So to start off I want you to sign up if you haven't already and then log in to the Prezi webpage. So all you'll have to do is log in with your email. Okay, so I will do that right now. Once in, this is where all your Prezis will hide out. So what we want to do is create a new Prezi, and instead of picking an already canned theme for this Prezi, you're going to create a Prezi without a theme. So it's going to take a minute to load up here. Once it does, we'll be right on our way. Sorry, it's a bit slow. Living in the country, that's sometimes what happens. Alright, so you get to the choose your template screen. Instead of choosing one of these templates, you want to go right down here to start a blank Prezi. Last assignment that we did, you used a template, but this one we won't. So you'll notice as you scroll with your mouse, you can zoom out or zoom in. And basically at this point, you can start adding different things. So if we look at the assignment criteria, we want many images of yourself, your talents, or your hobbies. Okay, so some of my hobbies are rodeo, so football. So I'm going to type in Denver Broncos, because I love watching the Denver Broncos play. So you can type them literally right here, and you can just drag them right into your slide. So that works. Type in rodeo, I steer wrestle, so I'll drag that one down here. Okay, and now let's say I want to insert a YouTube video. I can do that by going to youtube.com and finding the YouTube tube that you want. For me, I have one right here that I like. And you don't even need to play it. You just go up here, grab the URL, and go Command C, or you can right click it and copy it. And then you just Command V, or right click and paste, and you can go insert. So try it again, because I think I did it twice, and there we go, it pops it in there for us. So I got that in there. Move this over a little bit. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to zoom out, and you want to just get all your content in here somewhere. It can be all over the place, it can be close together, it can be far away. Okay, so that's what you want to do is gather all the content that you want. Get everything that you want to in there. You also want to have text in there. So what you might want to do is you might just want to say, you know, put that in there. You might want to move it around somewhere. Okay, and you might want to put. Now notice that this is going to be very different than yours will be. I'm just showing you how to do it generally, but you're going to put a lot more time into the text and into each slide, right? So I'm just showing you how to actually put text in. You can manipulate and change a whole bunch of things. Change the color of it, for example. You want it to be blue, or you can change the style of it. Okay, I want it to be subtitle and blue, so that's what I want there, right? So you just got to make sure you're always going back to the website and figuring out all of these different criteria. Okay, so in order to put audio, you want to add background music. Now, for you, I don't know if you're going to have music on your actual computer. So what you might have to do is figure out a way that you can get it. Oh, there's no more space on my account, so I can't actually do it. That's the way you put music on there. Okay. And depending on, I might change that in the rubric, but for right now we'll keep it. And the last thing is the paths. Okay, so we want to edit this one. So I'll go right to edit the edit screen and show you how to do the paths. Because this Prezi, or because this assignment is a presentation about yourself, you may, once it loads up here in the edit window, you may want to say, just make sure that it looks good. You want to insert an image. And you might want to take it and then save it on there, right? So each of these things, and there we go. So, but basically this is the way the path works. So you want to zoom way out. Okay, so you want to click on this pencil. So that's number one, and then number two will be your favorite hobby. Number three will be a picture of it. So you just click the different areas of where you want your presentation to go next. Okay, so see, some of those I'm going to twice. And back to the start. So then when you go to present, I'll show you how it looks. So it starts here, and then it'll go to my favorite hobby, in close to that there. It goes out to my favorite football team, then in close to the Denver Broncos. And it starts playing the video.
This guy is one of the greatest showmen in our game, but he is because he's one of the greatest cowboys. Pick him up in a hurry. Yes.
So you get the idea, my favorite hobby, and it goes back, and so it goes everywhere that you have said to go with the path. Now if you want to edit this path, or if you want to change it, you can always manipulate it this way, move things around, okay? And also, you can click on the path, and you can always change things. Okay, so you can always take this, number 10, and you can delete it. Or you can add frame content, but we want you to right click it, change the background. You can do all sorts of stuff. I want to have a mountainous background, so I'm going to do that. So simply I just right clicked on that one, and that's how I did that. And then it'll add it. You can put a theme on here. Say if you like the black theme, for example. The other thing you can do, and I'm doing too much kind of at once here, so I apologize for that. It's making my computer go a lot slower than I would like it to. So there you go, it shows you a little bit of a different theme, it changes the fonts and all that type of stuff. You can also add, if you wanted to add more circles, you can for each slide. So let's say you wanted number 11 to be over here. You put something in there, or you can add simply a bracket. Okay, that can be one of your slides, and you can click on that, and that can be one of it. And then as you present, it'll go to those slides, right? It'll go all the places you want it to. So there's a quick rundown on Prezi and how you do it from not using a template.